Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So I am going to begin by adding some tape on my eyes. And then for today's palette, I am going to be using the 35C palette by Morphe, which is this one. It's like really colorful. And I'm going to start by applying that really yellowish yellowish color, and I'm just going to be applying that right on my crease, and I'm just going to be working with that color first. So yeah, I'm just going to be blending and blending. And guys, my background is cute, huh? Yeah. Then I am going to be taking that brown shade, and I'm just going to be applying it right on top of the other color that I applied earlier, and I'm just going to be blending both of those shadows together. And remember, the key is to blend, guys, so take your time. Then I am going to be applying like this burgundy purpley shade right in the outer corners of my eyes. And by the way, my fiance is like moving my background because he's fixing it for me right now. So yeah, guys, anyways, then I am going in with the dark black, and I'm just going to be applying that right in the outer corners of my eyes as well. And I'm just making sure it's really nice and blended, because sometimes black is hard to blend, guys. That's why I don't like using it. But yeah, I'm just going to be blending and blending until I get tired. Then I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm just going to cut my crease like halfway. So you see me doing that right now. And for glitter or like eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Stila I don't know how you call this, like liquid eyeshadow. I don't know. This one is in the color kitten something. Let me check. It's called Kitten Karma. There you go. Sorry, guys. I didn't have it like right here by me. So yeah. Then I took my brush and I made sure the eyeshadows are really like nice and blended together. And then I took the tape off, and yeah, then I went back with my palette and I did apply the purpley shade right under my waterline. And also I took the black and I also applied it under my waterline. I went ahead and I applied my eyelashes off camera, and then I did apply white eyeliner on my waterline just because I wanted my eyes to look bigger and like bright. I don't know. Anyways, for primer, I am using my professional primer by Benefit, and yeah, I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. And now for foundation, I am using my Milani foundation. This one is one of my favorite from the drugstore. So yeah, guys, if you guys haven't tried it yet, go ahead and try it because it's bomb. For concealer, I am using my NARS concealer, and this is one of my favorite concealers ever, and I need a new one because mine is already almost gone. So yeah, guys. I am using my Airspun translucent powder to set my under eyes, and I am going to be applying that all over my face like always. For bronzer, I am going in with my Marc Jacobs bronzer, and I was having a difficult time opening it. And yeah, guys. For blush, I am going to be using my elf blush, and I'm going to use that really nice peachy blush. This is one of my favorite blushes ever. For highlight, I am using my Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I'm using that really nice gold highlight. I was gonna say glitter for some reason because it looks like glitter, but it's not glitter. I don't know. So yeah, and I forgot to contour my nose, so I did it real quick. And then for lips, I am using this really super pretty red lipstick. This one is by Too Faced, and it's called Lady Balls. I know, right? Lady Balls. Like, who names a really nice pretty lipstick Lady Balls? Like, anyways, yeah. uh, I'm tired, guys. I need coffee. For setting spray, I am using this one. This one is by Morphe. So yeah, guys, I think we came to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.